So this is reblogging another listing, 7,121 square meters with mango trees and rice field, unirrigated. So dili siya irrigated nga basakan. Semi upland siya guys, which is ideal to have a residential house development. So ideal siya pwede siya mag residential. Then it has several mango trees. I think it was 7, no? So before the price was really high. Now the owner reduces at 500 pesos per square meter. 500 na lang kuno gyud. So mao gini ang gingon. So kay Russell kinahanglan siya kwarta. So mao na guys, it has a deep well kung water, no? Then nasa existing deep well. Then by few minutes drive from town proper. So naay mga pwede ka mag tricycle or if you can have your own car, no, much better po. So the good thing guys, ang nakanindot kay flat jud ang iyahang terrain, meaning na may ganahan po mga buyers nga gusto jud og flat. So kinidindot ni kayo. So mo na yung naka-advantage, no? Flat lang yun. 500 maybe something like 3.5 million kapin kaya na may 121. So mo ni siya guys, no? It is located in, I think it was Barangay Mandawa, Bien Unido, Bohol. So Mandawa siya guys. So nindot kayo, no? As you can see, flat terrain ka ng balay, adjacent lang na sa property, wala labot, no? It's not part of the property. So mana guys, no? Actually kining Bien Unido magod dili ang kiti. It's not an irrigated, no? Not like Ubay, irrigated. Bien Unido is northern part of Bohol province, a coastal town, then very peaceful town. So ideal for one guys, residential gini siya. Gusto ka diring mag puyong malinawon, ha? Wala guys, no? Manong tanom, magdawat ka sa imong pensyon, mao na naka-advantage, no? If you have already a pension, then you can have your small house o kubo, simple life lang. Mao na naka-nindot dire. Nya coastal town man ni siya guys, napoy mga nindot diha nga like gusto ka madto sa kuan na may mga beach po diha guys. May mga beaches ba, kaliguanan. Ay pulay nagsabot, no? May mga kaliguanan diha. Then napoy mga napos like seaport for the kuan guys. For tumadto kag isla. So for the island. So yeah. Napoy tourism area ni sila guys kini sa Bien Unido. Na sila diving camp dito. So pwede ka madto dito. So from Chocolate Hills mga 1 hour drive ni ini lugar. Then sa paman, okay. So okay kayo ni lugar. So na gani mangga o namunga during the time. So basta guys nanginahanglan og kwarta ang owner, manigi us-usan jud ang presyo. So the owner needs financial, no? That is why he reduces the price. Us-usan lang aron jud na mahalin. Natay shortcut, no? Paingon sa Talibon. Shortcut nga mag-opening siguro na 2028. So mo na guys, no? Shortcut bridge connecting Talibon and Bien Unido. Okay. Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.